Today we have a video from police activity, and the title of the video is "Woman Gets Ticket for Holding Phone with Hand She Does Not Have." No audio? Come on, man. You got the Mustang, huh?
Talking about the things that you don't want to see your ride-share driver doing. One person texted in, they said, yeah, I had a driver that was chewing tobacco and spitting into the cup, and it took everything I had to not throw up in his back seat.
That wouldn't bother me. Could you smell it? I mean, if I could smell it and it was like all up in my nostril, I think then I'd be upset. But
You're a very tolerant person.
if I couldn't smell it, I don't care what you're doing.
Okay. Did spit doesn't bother you, huh? Yeah, a lot of times you can.
Maybe it's different because I'm a girl.
Hello, ma'am. Hey, good morning. I'm Deputy Gonzalez with the Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. This is why you're being pulled over. The city of Lake Worth today, we're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I thought you were
Oh nah, boy. Oh nah, boy. Oh nah. He said, yeah. We stopping people for holding with, for phones, whatever, yada, yada. You had your phone in your right hand.
Why you're being pulled over. The city of Lake Worth today, we're doing an operation for distracted driver, and you drove past me holding the phone with your right hand, manipulating that phone. I mean, I saw you with the phone in your
Lying.
So you want to just call this a day?
I don't want to call it a day. You had a hand up manipulating
You just
the
said
phone.
my right hand.
Well, I thought I saw you with your right hand. You
So
had a
you
hand
didn't.
up. The right hand. I saw you
So you
manipulate.
didn't.
With the right hand, perhaps not, right? But I saw
But
you.
you didn't see me with my right
Okay,
hand.
so are you
saying that you saw me with my right hand?
I know what I just said. I know what I just said. I'm asking you now. Did you yeah, or not have your phone on your hand?
I did not.
You did not have your phone in your hand?
I did not.
Hand to God, you didn't have your phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
The other hand to God.
Nah, come on, man. He playing games. What you mean, hand to God? Who even took? Yo, if this didn't go as viral as it did, you would think that this is a skit. Honestly, because you got that one body cam channel that do the skits down there in Florida. Body cam declassified, right? Their whole stuff is like rage bait, and it's skits. It's not real officers and stuff like that. When I seen this on Instagram, I seen a little clip of this on Instagram. And this was maybe a day or two ago or whatever. And I thought this was a skit. I seen that little part. I didn't see all of this, but I'm like, nah, that gotta be a skit. No way. So you're doubling down on you seen her with holding the phone, and she's clearly handicapped? That's crazy, man.
You don't have a phone in your hand.
Hand to God.
Cool. You have your driver's license, registration,
Yes,
and
I do.
insurance?
Hand to God. Come on, man. You would think this is a skit. Unbelievable.
I think this is the current one. They're all in the same pile, so it's not. I can find you. Do you need insurance too?
Just to get insurance. Who's
My
Mr. Thomas?
husband.
Come on now. I know you got one hand, but you gotta be more organized now.
I'm trying to find you the card portion.
this shoe is good address for you?
Yes.
All right, hang tight for me.
People that have been in an Uber and feel like their driver was intoxicated.
Business is powering the engine of modern business.
Is he giving her a ticket?
All right, ma'am. So you're gonna receive a citation for wireless communication device, handheld while driving. We got to put the phone down as we operate a motor vehicle.
Oh, and you put on there that you saw me with my right hand holding it. Yeah?
I did not put that. No, if you want to take it to
But
court.
that's what you said when you pulled me over. Yes,
that's what I said.
That you
Yes.
saw me holding my device with my right hand.
I'm not disagreeing with you. Yes, that's what I said.
Okay.
Yes. Yes. So if you want to take it to court,
And that's what you saw.
that's what I said.
That's
yes.
what you said you saw.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. If you want to take it to court, option 5 on the back of the ticket. That's how you take that ticket to court. Hey, you have any questions for me?
No, thank you.
Have a good day.
Get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out of here. No way. He gave her the ticket? He doubled down on this. No way. Now I see why it went viral. I mean, the hand thing, you know, but he actually went through with it and gave her the ticket. That's crazy.
Now it's Staples. You get $125 off custom prints orders.
$125 off. Now you're cooking. Brand your business in a big way at Staples.
No way you feel good about that. And that's why he took off like that. Because typically the cops, they wait for you to take off first. That's why he took off. No way you feel good about giving that ticket, man, to the handicapped lady, man. That's nasty work, man. Nasty work. Nasty work. What? You said that you seen her with her right hand holding the phone. She don't have a right hand. It's like this. It's a nub. Then you double down on it. Put your hand to God. Look like she had a black a BLM march or something. You know what I'm saying? You know, like, are you joking? What you mean put your hand to God? What cops talk like that, man? That's why I thought this was a skit. I'm like, nah, this gotta be a joke. You have to be joking. This is a joke. This is a joke. This is rage baiting to get people up in arms. You know what I'm saying? This is to get people riled up. It has to be. No way that this is real. And then you seen that you were wrong. Because if what he is saying is true, he's watching people pass by, right? He's on the right hand side. So the cars that's passing by is on his left. So he can see. So if she did drive past him with her hand on the phone or whatever the case may be, he would have seen the right hand because the right side of her would be his left side of what he's seeing. Stay with me now. All right. I know you drifting off. Stay with me. All right. I'm going somewhere with this now. So now it makes sense if he did see her with the right hand, object or whatever, the phone up with the right hand. Maybe she's changing the music, whatever. That makes sense in theory. But then when you get a closer look, you notice it's a nub. She doesn't have a hand. She don't got fingers. So instead of you saying, you know what? You good. All right. Just slow down. Make sure be safe on the roads. All right. That's what he should have did. Know what I'm saying? I know it's harder with body cams and stuff like that, but this is a bad body cam. You know you in the wrong. This is bad. You know, I know it's tougher for the cops to give breaks nowadays with the body cams, but you got to have leeway on this one because clearly your judgment is off. It's off. It ain't right. But instead of that, you make a joke, put your right hand to God, and you still carry on and go full throttle with it, 10 toes down, and give the handicapped lady a ticket for operating a motor vehicle with a cell phone or whatever the fuck the ticket was. That's fucked up, man. Honestly, come on, man. Come on. That's bad. That's terrible. That's terrible. And now I see why this video went viral, man. That's absolutely horrible. You don't do shit like that, especially when you know you can see with your own two eyes. You know you wrong.